I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to sort by date in Excel. Organizing your data chronologically is one of the best ways to track timelines, spot trends, or clean up a large list. For this demonstration, we will use our list of the top 200 individual comic issues, which features a dedicated column for the publication year to show you how to quickly arrange your data from oldest to newest or vice versa. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel and locate the column that contains your dates or years. In our comic book dataset, this will be the publication date column. Step 2. Click any of the values in this column. Make sure Home is selected on the ribbon and then navigate to the Number section. Check inside of the Formatting dropdown. You can see in this example that the values in this field are formatted as custom. To fix that, I'll highlight all the values in that column with the exception of the header. Click the Formatting dropdown and then choose either Short Date or Long Date. The format of your values will be changed automatically. This is critical to do to ensure that Excel recognizes your values as dates rather than plain text. If some of your dates are formatted incorrectly or contain accidental spaces, Excel will treat them like words and sort them alphabetically instead of chronologically, which completely scrambles your timeline. Step 3. Click any single cell within the publication date column that you want to sort by. You do not need to highlight the entire column, as Excel will automatically keep the rest of the row data aligned with the sorted column. Step 4. Navigate to the Home tab on the top ribbon and look for the Editing section on the far right side. Step 5. Click the Sort and Filter button to open a drop-down menu of options. Step 6. Select Sort Oldest to Newest if you want to see your data in forward chronological order, starting with the earliest comics from the mid-20th century and moving forward to modern releases. Alternatively, click Sort Newest to Oldest if you prefer a reverse chronological view, putting the most recent publications at the very top of your worksheet. Excel will instantly reorganize the entire table based on your choice. If you prefer a quicker method that doesn't involve navigating the top ribbon tabs, you can achieve the exact same result by right-clicking. Simply right-click on any cell in your date column, hover your mouse over Sort in the context menu that appears, and select either Oldest to Newest or Newest to Oldest from the flyout menu. This is a great shortcut to save time when you are working inside a massive file and want to keep your focus entirely on the data block you are modifying. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.